How to use your InstaFrame. Scan the QR code or enter the URL email sent to you as a confirmation of your purchase from InstaFrame Shop. A pop-up will appear with a title that reads, "Tap Allow to access AR." You will need to click the Allow button so that the augmented reality feature of your frame can use your microphone and camera. This is only temporary when you are using your InstaFrame. Next, the InstaFrame purchased will appear as an overlay to your phone's live camera feed. On the right side, you will see our navigation buttons. These turn on or off certain functions or change the camera direction. They will not appear on your photos. The first button at the top is the image button. This will toggle your InstaFrame size between portrait for Instagram Reels or Stories and square, which is for posts or feeds. The second button from the top is the predictions button. This will toggle the AR cards over your head on and off. The third button from the top is the camera direction button. This toggles the camera direction between the back, selfie, and front, photo, cameras. The button marked Buttons, Hide, will show or hide all other buttons. Capture your moment. Look through your phone's camera. You can take a photo by just touching the white button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to take a video, hold down the button for at least 2 seconds. After capturing, a preview window will pop up so you can review the photo or video before saving it. Download to your phone or post directly to Instagram and other social media platforms. Enjoy your InstaFrame moments. Get your InstaFrame and elevate every image instantly as you capture them live. Buy your own 2024 New Year's Eve InstaFrame and make every photo and video an instant post-worthy image. https://bit.ly/2024nyselfie or go to instaframeshop.com. Just $4.95 and you will have a custom 2024 New Year's Eve frame in seconds to use and share the entire night. Elevate your memories with every snap. Your friends and family can scan the QR code and use it on their phone too. Have a fun and memorable 2024 New Year's Eve celebration from all of us at instaframeshop.com.